Hey everyone, I know I haven't been posting too much. It's spring or getting towards summer here in Canada, and I've been doing a lot more just outdoor stuff and getting things tidied up after winter. So some other stuff on the go, but a couple little things on the go. I guess the RC tank, we bent a drive shaft on it. I've been procrastinating building a new one here, but I just got to machine a new shaft and get that together. And then we'll still finish this off sometime this summer, putting a top and bottom on it and tidying up all the electronics and stuff like that. If you've seen some of the shorts, I'll throw a link in the top corner here somewhere that shows some of the driving of it. So it does donuts and it drives around pretty cool. So lots of fun there. The grinders, I am still going to do a video with testing different kinds of grinders with different kind of wheels. So different sizes more specifically. That's coming. So I have a few grinders there, and there's a couple others kicking around in the garage that I'll throw into the mix. But we do have the new Flex Volt Advantage one, the 60 volt and the older 20 volt as well. And we can run this in both the 20 and 60 volt. And this grinder takes 4.5 or 5-inch wheels. This one takes 4.5 or 6-inch wheels. And this one's just the standard 4.5, but I also have a corded 7-inch that we're going to try so we can see the differences with all the same grit kind of wheels, the flat discs. We'll try all of those with different size wheels and see what happens, and different size batteries and everything. So that'll be fun. I also just picked up today at the store. I was at the store quickly, PV Mart, the TSC, what they're called now anyway. So another shop light that I'm going to put in today over top of the lathe. So somewhere up around here, up underneath, I'm gonna hang just that shop light so I have a little bit more light. I have extra power here. I kind of planned ahead that I would need some outlets for lights or other things like that. So I did put those, put a quad box here and put an extra set of outlets. So we'll just plug that in there and hang it somewhere on the bottom of the shelving. There we go. I've got the light hung just on the chains and a couple screws into the plywood underneath there. So that's with it off. And once you turn it on, the phone automatically adjusts, but nice and bright here now. So good lighting. So when I'm machining, I can actually see what I'm doing. I will have to probably make some sort of shade though for the DRO, as it's a little bit washed out, but that's no big deal. At least now we have some light over the lathe. The other thing I guess I'm just going to hint at is I'm thinking about starting on the basement this year. So we have an unfinished basement right now, and the plan is to finish it and maybe put a second workshop downstairs. So if you're interested in seeing that, I'll do a build series on it. I might go as far as breaking out the concrete and putting in heated floors first. So it might be quite the extensive build, but if you're interested in seeing that, let me know in the comments below anything you'd like to know about that, and maybe subscribe if you aren't already so you can see that later. But other than that, I just wanted to give you guys a kind of quick update on what's going on, and we can walk around the garage once. There's not much exciting here. Porsche's still in the garage. But yeah, that's it for today. Just a quick little update, and we'll see you again soon.